Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix no printers installed error in Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word document, and let's say that I have this problem on my computer. I'm going to click on print, and usually the no printers installed will appear right here. Okay, and let's say that I have this problem on my computer and I need to fix it. If we want to fix this problem, guys, we need to go to the services. You can go to this search menu or search bar on your Windows 11, and then you can go to the services. Okay, and usually if the no printers installed appear on your Windows, usually it means that the print spooler is stopped, so we need to activate it again. Okay, here you can search for the print spooler. You can scroll down until you find print spooler, and you need to run these services on your Windows 11, and as you can see, mine is running. If you want to run it, you just need to right click on it and then you can click on run. But since I have clicked on run, so here I just have stop option, but if you want to run the service, you just need to click on run. Okay, and then the no printers installed error problem on your Windows 11 will be solved. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix no printers installed error in Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.